Hello, I'm Paige Elliott, Assistant Principal at Fuquay-Varina Middle School, and I oversee the sixth graders here. And we're excited about our school year, even though it's going to look a lot different this year. We have a lot of people in place to help support the sixth graders, the phenomenal teachers we have, and the fantastic guidance counselor.
Hi, I'm Vonda Phillips, and I will be your guidance counselor for sixth grade, for seventh grade, and for eighth grade. So I have the privilege of working with you guys for all 3 years. I will be your cheerleader. I will be there to always cheer you on. If you need any help with anything, please reach out to me.
Thank you, Ms. Phillips. Ms. Phillips is phenomenal, and you will enjoy having her this school year. Before I get started to talk about open house, I want to talk a little bit about middle school. Now, Elmo, well, hi, how are you?
Hi, Miss Elliott.
It's good to see you, but don't you belong in elementary school?
No. What is it? Miss Elliott?
I did know that. Somebody told me. But now you need to understand middle school, it's a little bit different than elementary school. We have some different expectations.
My mom and dad talked to Elmo all about it.
They did? That's good. But, to help you understand, let me tell you a quick story.
Okay.
So imagine there's this man and he's walking through the forest and he sees a cocoon, and that cocoon is just a rustling and it's struggling, and he knows a butterfly's in that cocoon. So he says, you know what, I don't want that little thing to struggle anymore. And he goes over and he gently opens it, and the butterfly falls to the ground. Yeah, why do you think it couldn't fly? Okay, well, I'll tell you this time. Usually I'd make you guess some more, but it's because when that butterfly was in the cocoon and all that struggling, that's what helps the butterfly grow. It helps him develop the muscles and the ability to fly.
That's right.
And so, the people that love us, they don't like to see us struggle, but that struggle is what helps us grow. So like in math or science or language arts or band, whatever you're taking.
I'm gonna be in band. I'm gonna play drums.
Do you think you're gonna be perfect the first time?
No, ma'am, I'm not. I'm gonna have to practice.
You're right, and you're not gonna always be great, but you're always gonna be great at trying and working hard.
And Elmo's gonna do his best.
And that's all we ask from you, Elmo. So, you know what? Thank you for letting me tell that story. And now we can get everybody on track for what to do tonight for open house. Does that sound good?
See you, friends. Bye. And students, I'm back. So we're going to talk about what the sixth grade virtual night open house looks like. So tonight, every one of you parents and students should be able to see a schedule. We're going to show that to you right now so you'll see the same thing that we have. Now, in this schedule, it walks through the student's classroom. For instance, in the morning, if they go to their first core classroom, this afternoon, while we're going through what your child's schedule would look like, the times are on the left, we're going to be in here for 20 minutes. So your first core class, in this example, is Miss Elliott. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Google link. You're going to click on that Google link. When you see the black screen come up, it will say camera started, camera's off, but we want you to join the classroom. So if you join the classroom now, your teacher will be there. Now, you'll see Miss Elliott there. Look at that beautiful face. But it will be your teacher, your first core teacher. If we go back to that schedule, then you're going to see every one of your students or your child's classroom. So for tonight, every 20 minutes, we will be having you to pop into each one of your classes just like your student does every day. We welcome you. The time is 4:30 to 5. We welcome you to this virtual experience. If you get lost while you're going or something happens and you need to come back to this main page, please hit the Google link where it says Google Meet. Miss Ellie and I will be available to answer any questions or to be able to get you back on track. So we're excited for you to have this experience tonight. You get to walk through it just like your child does every day, Monday through Friday. So please, if you have any additional questions, Miss Ellie and I will hang out from all during this time period from 5 to 7:30 for any additional questions. And again, we look forward to having a great year and a wonderful experience with this.
Thank you so much, Ms. Phillips. And tonight, once again, I want to remind you that we're available from 4:30 to 5 o'clock for just a question and answer session with Ms. Phillips, with Mr. Clark, our principal, and with me. And then you'll follow that schedule for the rest of the night. Please remember that this is an opportunity for you to meet the teachers, but it is not the opportunity for individuals' parent-teacher conferences. However, if you would like a parent-teacher conference, your teachers will be happy to schedule an appointment upon request. And so I want to thank you for viewing this video. In closing, I'd like to borrow a line from the movie Apollo. And with it, we said with COVID-19, people say that this could be the worst disaster education has ever experienced. And we say, with all due respect, we believe this is going to be our finest hour. It all comes down to one point. We want your child to succeed. It's going to take everyone's effort to support that success, including your child, who will become a capable and independent member of society who can adapt and overcome any obstacle, especially because they have gone through this experience. We're excited to have you this school year. Welcome to Open House. Welcome to Fuquay-Varina Middle School, and we're happy to have you as a Bengal.